RVYL is trending. The stock has become a major topic of conversation due to its pending merger with RTB Digital, a Web3 digital media platform leveraging a Bitcoin treasury ecosystem alongside recent efforts for Nasdaq compliance. It has since complied as of the 2nd of January when it had an effective reverse split. Okay, and that has now reduced the float to around 821,000 shares, and has also resulted in uh, retail trader interests. It has now resulted in amplified retail trader interests. Okay, as seen with this gain of 54% roughly we are looking at right now. Okay, I think the volume so far has also spiked. You can see 6.73 million shares, and we have almost an hour and a half before the market opens. 50-day average is usually 169,000 shares. Okay. Outside that, there isn't really any news that's going on right now. So, given this strength that is showing right now, the stock is showing a lot of strength, a decent amount of strength, if not a lot of strength, within a longer term bearish trend. Okay, so breaking down the data from its 4-hour chart, which is from here, we can see that the extrapolation seems to be suggesting that the contraction may begin to play out from midday today. It has actually started to play out and may get a bounce from Monday the 26th and maybe resume the uptrend. As things stand right now, we have 1.92, 2.61, 3.73. All of those are downward projections. So we have also gone ahead to break down further the data on that 4-hour chart. Okay, so let's see what we have. We have okay, this is its market grid. Okay, it gives us a range of possible prices. Okay, so we have this is the top of the grid. The stock is not there yet, not at the top yet. Given where is it right now? It is up. It has exceeded that. It's at 8.1 now. Okay, so I think the grid hasn't. The stock has exceeded that grid, so there's a chance that we might see a pullback. So you can always pause and read. Okay, um, okay. Upside scenario: hold above $8, 30% requires sustained buying pressure. News catalysts. Okay, breach $9, 15%. Extreme short squeeze, FOMO scenario giving float. We also have the price pressure momentums. They measure the angle of attacks of the various moving averages. You can see here, trend mode is 0.25. So if any stock is appreciating by 0.25, or rather it has a pace of has a momentum of 0.25 at the close of every of the respective period, then you can say that stock is trending. So that's the base. That's the basis. That's the basis. 0.25 is the basis of any trend mode, and you can see here the stock is at 62.56. You do the maths; it's more than 10x. We're talking about 5x, 50x, or something like that. You know, and that is also the case with all the other moving averages apart from the 200-day moving average, which is doing the reverse. It's still declining but may begin to pick up. So they also have derivatives. The derivatives also gives us the buying pressure, and then the first derivative gives us the buying pressure, and then the second derivative gives us the pace of the buying or the selling. Okay, you can always pause and read. Okay, inference, short-term angle of attack on the PPM1. PPM1 refers to the 10-period moving average is rolling over despite price strength. This is a classic parabolic exhaustion pattern. Medium-term momentum, that is for the 21 and 40-period moving averages remain constructive, suggesting pullbacks may be viable. So we have trade setups here. If you apply them, you may lose money. So not advisable that you do so. Okay, so here it's a short thing that is being propounded here. Yeah, Your target will be 7.21. So expect a pullback to happen. Yeah. Long term trade setup. This is 2 to 8 weeks. Okay, so your best entry will be 6.27 to 6.63. Acceptable will be 5.87 to 6.07. And there's also this the extrapolation of its 40 period moving average at 5.39. So the thesis is that RTB Digital merger catalyst still pending binary event as the compliance achieved reduces the listing risk, and the 40 and the 21 period moving average is in trend mode equal to medium term structure intact. The 200 period moving average declining, but the price pressure second derivative, the price pressure indicator second derivative suggests the slope may stabilize. So your target will be 8.75, 10.5, $15. Okay, key risk factors, you can see that 821,000 shares potential for 30 to 50% daily swings or no news. Major uncertainty, RTB digital deal collapse, if likely up to 40%, 40 to 6% move. PPM 200 deterioration continues suggesting long-term downtrend not broken. Okay, gap risk liquidity can create overnight gaps of 15 to 20%. Okay, yeah, so that's what's going on right now. Just you can always pause and read these things, and I'll definitely continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.